Global, human, and capital-centered mode of living has exhausted our planet's resources. Mass market, rapidly increasing construction, overproduction, commercial fishing, meat and oil industries, industrial agriculture, among other capital-centered institutions, are erasing the resilient environment suitable for co-living of human and non-human ecosystems, as well as creating even more inequality in the planetary metabolism. Can we change the mode of our operation by changing the relationship with both natural and technological systems? Can we redefine current structure of interspecies hierarchies, geopolitical borders, and economical clusters, and imagine an ecosystem capable of self-regulation by the means of non-human forms of intelligence? Could non-human agency become a part of an inclusive democratic policy through which autonomous ecosystems gain a chance to influence human institutions? Today we see a strong potential for an explosion of new design methods taking form through robotics, synthetic biology, and artificial intelligence. Machine becomes a part of the landscape choreography. Technology embedded in the multiple objects within the landscape allows new regimes and metabolism to evolve. Through sensors and intelligent technologies, we are decoding the complexity of flows, behaviors, and patterns embedded within the planetarian metabolism, as well as learning communication systems used by plants, bacteria, insects, and animals. We can begin to co-design cyberorganic living systems that think like a forest, act like bacteria, and help us to create a multi-species polis driven by synthetic forms of intelligence. The studio will be exploring the concepts of autonomous cyberorganic environments structured by the non-human forms of intelligence and self-regulated, regenerated, and retopologized by the means of AI. Intelligent algorithms will be designed to accommodate the capacities and cognitive abilities of non-human agency to translate biological signals, patterns, and behaviors into new forms of synthetic environment. Algorithms that reconstruct 3D space from cameras and lidars, in combination with drone monitoring, will be the senses of the new form of intelligent agents which are inhabiting the landscape. Generative adversarial networks will be used as a method of extracting organizational principles from collected on-site datasets and generate new datascapes based on a combination of these principles. Multiple latent layers of GAN algorithms would extract the memory and embedded intelligence of the landscape, which could be transformed into the scenarios for the future cyberorganic living. Final projects will propose scenarios where intelligent algorithms, capable of using large sets of data, can assess the extent and economic value of the landscape and manage it.
To achieve this goal, the studio will engage the notion of synthetic landscape at multiple levels, as a design philosophy, as a collection of processes and systems, including human and non-human, animal, microbiological, and digital, as a strategy for accelerating the transformation of what we call the urban sphere. Our initial research will take us around the world and deep into the most radical current application of artificial intelligence and robotic automation. We will deploy advanced remote sensing and artificial intelligence technologies to learn to see the way this industry currently conceptualizes the living biosphere. We will then evolve our own protocols of artificial intelligence to manufacture novel 3D vision and finally navigate them as virtual architecture. The studio projects will engage some of the pressing questions that are emerging from it, such as: are automation and the advent of the Industry 4.0 engendering a sustainable redefinition of the spatial and material organization of productive landscape? Can automation lead to increased biodiversity in productive landscapes? Can automation and artificial intelligence redefine the boundaries of work and leisure, or will promote widespread unemployment in the working class? Each project will embody radical design scenarios where these questions are redefined and the related problems are re-problematized.